Hey everyone, today we wanted to introduce you this NASAN tank. It's not a new machine. It's been out for a while, but we don't really sell a lot in here in USA. But now I feel like it's time to start selling because of the quality build. So first thing first, this guy is heavy though. See? So I'm not gonna turn on the side camera, but I'll just turn the machine sideways, as you see. So it's like looks very minimal, but yet it's very heavy, and the suction on this guy is just phenomenal. And this is the of course the mat. Just go in here, and you can install this guy to do a Samsung glass separation the traditional way.